My country people them. Today na the 7th of February 2019 and I want to bring una some information about the lawsuit against Tapang Ivo for California. Barrister Nsahlai don't release a press release where he want to make all Cameroonians them, especially the Anglophone Cameroonians, and make them know this information. So it talks say California federal judge grants plaintiff's motion to conceal the true names of the plaintiffs in the lawsuit filed against terrorist Tapang Ivo. Please join our lawsuit if you have suffered any losses. So what did they talk for them and say? This lawsuit where it don't take Tapang Ivo go court, the judge for that court it don't grant ye permission for withhold the true identities them of the people the way they bring this lawsuit forward, and you get every right at any time for join the lawsuit for put your name forward, and the court it go withhold your personal information so that make the terrorists them, Tapang Ivo them, and these Amazonians they no go ever know your name. So one of the reasons that way we know the talk about these Amazonian terrorists now because with the fear, the consequences of what they fit do for we. Like they promise said they go attack our family members or they go burn our properties and back home. For this kind of situation, you don't get to fear because your personal and private information it will be protected by the court itself. Because Barrister Nsahlai, it don't get that motion, it be granted by the judge for that case. So I will read some of the information where Barrister Nsahlai released them on February the 4th, 2019 for Los Angeles. It talks the Honorable United States Magistrate Judge in the Northern District of California in the case of Jane Doe and John Doe versus Tapang Ivo has granted the plaintiff's motion to proceed under pseudonyms because the plaintiffs noted there is a great risk of retaliatory physical harm against them by Mr. Tapang Ivo, who plaintiffs accuse of being a terrorist. For the entirety of this lawsuit and in perpetuity, defendant Tapang Ivo will not know who the real names of the plaintiffs or his accusers are. He will never be allowed to obtain this information. So I will put this whole press release for the website www.countrypeople.com for you to go check them out. If you download them, read them for yourself. But wait till where Barrister Nsahlai they talk and say, if you've been a victim of this Amazonian nonsense, they are terrorism, where they don't kill people them, they don't disable people them, they commit all kinds of atrocities them, they burn people, their properties them down. And if even now your family member don't suffer one of these atrocities them from the actions of Amba boys them, then even if the actions be caused by people like Chris Anu, Akwanga Ebenezer, Eric Tato, Ayabacho, Mark Barretta, Bo Herbert, Ajong Divine, Sako Ikome, Nso Foncha, Capo Daniel, John Baakuru, and all these other people, if any of these people, they give instructions and material support and weapons them for Amba boys them, and then the Amba boys that use those tools for can cause you harm, then you get every right for sue them. And wait the way it go happen and say you go join this lawsuit where they sue them, and if you contact Barrister Nsahlai in all confidence, because everything where you discuss with lawyer, it be confidential. Enough to release that information to any person unless you give it the permission. And also, if you go for that website www.cameroonvictims.org, you go find out more information for there. So all man where you get any case where you want report them, where you want seek redress for those atrocities, the way these Amba boys they cause them, on instructions and coordination and material support where it come on from the diaspora, contact Barrister Nsahlai so that it go add your name for this lawsuit. You could become one of the plaintiffs then. So if you go for that website or you contact Barrister Nsahlai directly, you could discuss your case with them in confidence. And also, wait till where Barrister Nsahlai, it will make you know and understand very well now. Say, this whole law case, it is seek for redress the issues them where the harm and the property loss where these Amazonians they don't cause them for innocent citizens them. So wait till where it is seek for doing and say, it go ask if say we win this lawsuit, then we go ask all these people, them Akwanga, Ebenezer, and then John Baakuru, and Mark Barretta, Ayabacho, and all these people, they go pay money financially. And if they don't get money for pay, they go make them bankrupt. They go declare chapter 11, they call them for America, declare bankruptcy, and they go seize all their properties, them sell them, for make sure that they pay back the victims them of the crimes that they don't commit them. So that is the most important thing. So we'll make sure say any person where don't lost anything because of Ambazonians them. Email Barrister Nsahlai. Your email address now info@nsahllailawfirm.com, or you email me for I will put all this information for the website and I will put them on your screen. If you look on your screen right now, you will see the information for the info@cameroonvictims.org, or you contact you on your WhatsApp number when now +1 747 243 2613, and then you will get all the information you want. Even if you just call now for talk for understand more about this information, and all that way I want to tell you now. Thank you.